Like the most common report I get from a military person that doesn't want to be known, they had a close encounter, is that if I hear this another time, if I got a nickel every time I heard this, I'd be rich, right? I know it sounds weird. I'm an engineer. I know it sounds weird. I don't have any other words to describe it. The skin of the craft seemed intelligent. Like there was an intelligence. It seemed alive. And it kills them to say that because there's like a lot of engineers, right?
Right.
So there's the idea that the actual machines themselves are so integrated that it is, in a sense, a biology, right? How we understand it, but it's still a craft that carries things. Then you have the idea of biologics being just pilots.
Right.
So you've got craft that appear, the most common UFO is a silver sphere, sometimes cubes, flying cubes with spherical auras, right?
Yeah.
Black cubes?
Yeah, so that's very common. A lot of pilots have conveyed that publicly and privately to people that they see cubes. By the way, I have articles back in the 60s. Flying cubes goes back all the way as far as UFOs. This is one of the most common shapes is a flying cube. You can see historical documents with this. The pilot, both military and commercial, saw a flying cube with a spherical aura. That's way back. So these have been around for a long ass time, whoever's tech this is. So some UFOs appear to be piloted by an artificial intelligence. So like a drone, right? Other UFOs seem to carry occupants, like a few, right? Those occupants we would call biologics or biologics, but they could very easily be some sort of cybernetic organism with printed flesh that operate as an autonomous kind of AI being.
Yeah.
Then
It could also be just a decoy to fuck with us. They could be like, ha, these stupid shits.
Dude, if you're going to send someone to go study an ant, you're going to make a badass animatronic ant that kind of puts off the right pheromones. Looks kind of like them, but they're like, what's up with this fucker? He's a little weird. But, blend in, no problem. So you can imagine, sometimes you feed like animals in the wild with a puppet of that animal. You could see that being part of the case. So when you talk about biologics, maybe there are some sort of non-terrestrial things in our upper atmosphere that are biological, right? Maybe that's what they mean by that. So pilots of craft, cybernetic, drone type things, species from other places we don't know. I don't know.